In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft Excel to your workflow, choose the right file in Worksheet, and test it to pull all rows of data. We'll begin inside your workflow by opening the Microsoft Excel node. This is where the connection to your Microsoft account lives. Head to the Credentials section and create a new credential. When prompted, sign in with your Microsoft account and approve the access so the node can read files from your OneDrive. If your organization uses single sign-on, follow the standard sign-in flow your company provides. Once you're signed in, click Save. You should now see your new credential associated with the node, and that means the connection is ready to use. Next, we'll tell the node exactly what to read. Still inside the Microsoft Excel node, set the operation to Get All. This instructs the node to return every row from the worksheet you specify, which is perfect for a full export or for downstream processing. For Drive, select your OneDrive. If you have multiple drives or shared libraries, make sure you pick the location where your workbook actually resides. Then choose the Excel file you want to work with. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct workbook, especially if you maintain similar files across folders. Now select the worksheet you want to read from, such as Sheet 1. It's a good idea to verify that the sheet name matches what you see in Excel and that it's not hidden or empty. When everything looks correct, click Save so your configuration is stored. With the connection and file settings in place, it's time to test. Click Execute Workflow. The node will connect to your Microsoft account, locate the workbook in OneDrive, open the specified worksheet, and read all available rows. If everything is set correctly, you'll see the output populate with the rows from your sheet, with each column mapped to a field. Larger sheets may take a few extra moments to load, so give it a bit of time. If you don't see data, double-check that the credential is saved, the file path and sheet selection are correct, and that you have permission to access the file. And that's it. You connected your Microsoft account, targeted the exact Excel file and worksheet, and executed the workflow to retrieve every row. From here, you can pass this data to other nodes for filtering, transformation, or integration into your apps.